Hey guys, it's your girl Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. It's bonus video time because Scales of a Mermaid is about to have a very big sale along with a huge new release of some winter themed skin and nail products. You're going to love these. So I'm going to go over all the sale details with you. I will go through these scents with you one at a time and give you my thoughts on them and kind of what really sticks out to me as far as the scent notes go. And at the end, I will tell you how to save an additional 10% on top of the sale prices. So if all that sounds like something you're interested in, then stick around. We're getting into it. Alright guys, so full disclosure, for those of you that weren't aware, I am an ambassador for Scales of a Mermaid, so I did receive these products as part of my ambassadorship. But honestly, even if I was not an ambassadorship, her small business skin and nail products is all I would purchase. It's not just the amazing scents and the amazing formulas, but it's just her customer service and the way she presents herself in the community and her attention to detail and the way she always seeks input from her customers. I just really love the way she runs her business. It's very like A plus all the way to me. So I'm really happy to be representing her. But like I said, I would still be purchasing her products, only her products, if I was not her ambassador. All right, so if you're watching this video the day it goes live, then the sale will be starting tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern. So that's Monday, 12/12, 8 p.m. Eastern. And that is when all of these new products will be available, as well as all of the rest of her site will be reopened. And everything will automatically be discounted 20% off, with the exception of the limited edition scents and the body oils. So those are excluded from the 20% off, but everything else, including the rest of these new releases, is included, which is amazing. Her products are worth more than the full price, so to get it at that much of a discount is pretty incredible and definitely something I would take advantage of to stock up while I can. The sale ends December 14th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern, but honestly, if I were you, I would try to get there as soon as the sale starts, as soon as the site reopens, just because a lot of these products, especially the limited edition scents and the popular ones, they can be gone like really quick, and you're going to want this freebie. I'm going to get to the description on the freebie later, but those are while supplies last with a $30 and up purchase, and you're going to want this freebie. So I would definitely try to get there as soon as that site reopens. So in this video, I'm really going to be focusing on the newer scents, but I'm going to leave a pinned comment down below with some of my ultimate all-time favorites, so that if you want to pick up some classic or some existing scents from the mainline, then you might want to check those out, because I will give you some descriptions of my favorites so you can see what I am really enjoying. But I'm really going to focus this video on the newer scents, and I don't want to take too long on this, but I want to make sure I give you as many details as I can so you can decide if you're interested in picking up any of these new releases. So one more thing to mention, and I will remind you of this at the end, but in addition to the 20% off, if you use my ambassador code CARRIE10, you will get an additional 10% off the sale prices. And that actually does include the body oils and the limited edition scents. So those are excluded from the 20% off. You can still get 10% off of those if you use my ambassador code. So to get all of this at such a discount, you guys, it is such a steal. And if you have been waiting or holding out on this brand, this is your sign to try them, because I promise you, you're going to love these formulas and these scents. They really are incredible. All right, with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the individual scents, and I'll let you know which of these are going to be mainline and what products will be available in these scents as we go. All right, guys, first up is Spruce It Up, and I feel like this is one of those classic winter scents because it's very, balsam, evergreen themed, and I really, really like this one. So I'll put the scent notes for you up on the screen. So from this one, I really get that woodsy kind of piney scent. It's really, really lovely, and you get that hint of lemon in there as well, and kind of that crisp green. So it really just, it gives that very kind of wintry balsam fir kind of vibe. So I have it here in the Sugar Scrub, and this is her newer formula of Sugar Scrub. So if you haven't tried her newer formula, you really want to try this one, because it's a lot more solid than her previous version. It was a lot more liquidy, and I think that makes this easier to not only transport, but just easier to kind of keep clean as you use it. But this kind of foams up and scrubs a little bit at the same time. It's a sugar soap scrub, so it really kind of, lathers up while it scrubs. So it's a really nice product, and I especially like to use this, when I'm feeling like I need to exfoliate because my skin is really dry. And of course, you can use this on your legs, your arms, your elbows, anywhere where you have dead skin that you kind of want to slough off. So this is going to be available in this soap sugar scrub, but it'll also be available in the cuticle oil. And like I said, this will be mainline, so this may sell out at some point, but it should be brought back. It's not a limited edition product, but definitely one I feel like is perfect for this time of year, not just for Christmas, but just for the winter time in general. It's just a really lovely scent, especially if you like those kinds of woodsy scents. All right, next up for the mainline scents, this is No Big Deal. And I feel like this one is kind of like one of those seasonless scents. And I mean, obviously you can use any scent in any season, but you know what I mean? I feel like the vibe of this just fits in with any season. So this is definitely a white floral. So those of you guys that like white florals, I really think you'll like this one, but it's not like super in your face either. To me, it's a really balanced scent. So I have it here in the butter lotion. So this is the full size butter lotion. I really do like her formula of the lotion because it's just like the rest of her products. I feel like it's hydrating, but also fast absorbing. So I'm not left feeling greasy. I just feel hydrated and soft and not like slippery all day. You know that feeling when you want to put on lotion, but then you just feel greasy and heavy? This is not that. So I really do love this formula. It's really, really nice. So this scent, I'll put the scent notes for you up on the screen if I haven't already. I'm talking too much. But this one is, like I said, it definitely gives me that white floral vibe. I definitely get the jasmine and that hint of tea rose in there. But I'm not somebody who really likes heavily perfumed floral scents, and I really do like this one. So like I said, if you're good with a soft white floral, I really do think you'll enjoy this one. So this one will be available in the full-size butter lotion as well as the soy wax candle, which this is, I believe, her third candle. There's a total, she just released 2 with this collection, so I believe that makes 3. So the candles are very new to her collection, but honestly, when somebody releases a new product, I kind of like don't know what to expect. This one really impressed me. Like, I like candles in general, but I don't like it when a candle scent is like so weak that you can't even smell it. And I'm going on and on about candles, and I have a candle to show you in a minute. Anyway, what I'm saying is these candles really, really impressed me. And I'll tell you more about that when we get to the next candle. But all I can say is the candles are definitely worth looking into. I would definitely try to grab one of those if you can, at least one. But yeah, in this scent, you'll be able to get it as the candle or the full-size butter lotion. Both products are amazing, and I definitely recommend. All right, next up to the mainline is Pain in the Axe. These names so cute. So I have it here in the larger size cuticle balm. So you'll be able to get this in the cuticle balm only, but this will be part of the mainline. So this is a very intriguing scent. To me, I definitely get the wooden notes and I get the hint of apricot, but I'm going to put the scent notes up for you on the screen because there's a lot going on in this one. So it's a very intriguing combination, and I agree that this is more of a unisex kind of scent. If anything, to me, it leans a little bit more masculine, but again, that's just from my personal perspective. You may find it different. Everybody's olfactory scents are different. So but anyway, I know I've told you guys so many times on this channel how much I love her balms. I really, really do. I always try to keep one in my work bag or in my purse just because there are times where I feel like I just need something that's going to stick around, and I feel like this is such a great way to get that hydration, get it to last, but not feel oily or greasy. I just really can't sing the praises of these enough. So especially during the winter months, I've been loving, especially if I can, trying to layer these. So like I'll put the oil on and then put the balm on top to just kind of seal everything in. So definitely recommend if you're feeling like especially dry, if you can get both scents in the oil and the balm, that's what I would go with because they layer so beautifully. And just a reminder, don't feel like you can only use these on your cuticles. You can definitely use these on other drier parts, especially the larger balms are great for like dry elbows, dry knees, any of your like larger body parts that are feeling a little dry and need a little extra hydration. You can definitely use these for that as well. All right, next up is a limited edition cuticle oil, and to me, this is a must-have. It is a personal fave. So this is Unwrap Me, and I will put the scent notes for you up on the screen, but to me, like, my nose gets straight up butter rum from this. So if you're somebody who likes that butter rum kind of scent, I really think you'll love this, especially those of you that like gourmand scents. You like those food-related scents like me. Hello. Don't eat it, but if you want it to smell like food, I think you'll really, really love this one, and this is one that I predict will go pretty fast. I just think it's pretty much one of those that everybody's gonna love, but I may be biased because like I told you guys, I love gourmand scents. But so this will only be available in the limited edition packaging. This is the limited edition cuticle oil, And because I think it's going to go fast, remember, once these are gone, they're probably not going to come back. So I would definitely try to get in on this one if you're interested as soon as the site reopens. So again, you'll be able to use my code CARRY10 to get the 10% off of this one, and definitely one of my top scents out of this entire collection. All right, next up for limited edition, we have the most adorable tiny butter lotion here. Isn't this the cutest freaking thing? And this is another personal favorite from the collection for so many reasons, starting with the cuteness overload. I love the label, I love the name, love the size of the bottle. It's all cute. And this is, of course, our classic butter lotion, just in a smaller version. So here you can see the full size and the mini next to each other. So I love the mini to just throw in a bag or my purse or anytime I want to take a lotion somewhere with me, because this one is small and easy to take on the go. So this is That's It, I'm Not Going, which again, another cute name. Love the label. So this is another one that to me definitely gives me more of those wintry vibes. So mostly what I get from this one is that sort of woodsy berry scent, that combination of, you know, the pine needles with the different berries together, and it just, I don't know, it just gives me that classic Christmas scent. I mean, not just Christmas, winter too, but you guys get where I'm going with this, right? I feel like it's just one of those like quintessential things that when you smell it, it just makes you think of like the holidays and cold weather, and it's just really lovely. So this is going to be limited edition. It will be available only in this mini butter lotion. This is another one that I would definitely snag while you can, because most people will probably want this anyway because of the scent, but also because of the cute tiny little bottle. And these really are convenient to take with you on the go. So definitely another personal favorite from this launch. All right, next up is not a new scent, but it is a new product in this scent. So this is I'll Be Known for Christmas in a candle. And this was a very popular scent last year, so she brought it back in a candle. And once again, there'll be 2 candles available with this collection. It'll be this one and then also No Big Deal. And I love how she adds these pretty little glitters in there. It just makes it so festive. And I was trying to not go off on a tangent earlier, but let me tell you why I love these candles. And yes, by the way, they do come with a lid that you can obviously use when it's not in use. But what impressed me about these candles is I feel like it's difficult to get candles right. Either they don't have enough scent or they have so much that it overpowers you with fragrance. So I feel like, at least for me personally, like I don't want too much and I don't want too little. I want a nice balance. And so I kind of didn't know what to expect when she launched candles, and I kind of thought, you know, like I said, I feel like it's hard to get right. She really nailed this. I really am just super impressed, because these, I feel like they burn a long time, and the scent, the throw is like perfect. It's just enough that where you smell it and it's there, but it's not like slapping you across the face with fragrance. You know what I mean? Where it's like so much it kind of makes you sick. This is not that. It's really perfect. It really, I could not have imagined her making a better, you know, throw with this one. It's not too strong, it's not too soft, it's just right. And I love these scents that are available. So far there's 3 of them, and I have loved all 3 of them. Well, I haven't tried No Big Deal in a candle, but I love that scent, so I think it would be great in a candle as well. But I got to give her props, because I know sometimes new products, you know, they can be great or not, and that's with any company, not just hers. But she definitely nailed this candle, so I'm super excited to have I'll Be Known for Christmas in this. And actually, I didn't buy the cuticle oil in this one last year, and I'm feeling like I need to buy it now. This is a lovely scent. I should have put the scent notes up on the screen earlier, but it's definitely giving me that, you know, cranberry apple vibe. That's what mostly I get from it, but you definitely get that kind of apple fruit. Again, something I feel like is such a classic wintry scent, so definitely recommend this candle. All right, next up is Wonderland, and I'm kind of sad about this one because this is the exclusive, which means it will not be available for purchase. It's only going to be available if you purchase $30 or more. You will get this for free. So let me go ahead and put the scent notes for you up on the screen. So the reason that I am sad about this one is I need it in more products, and I need it to be permanent. There's something really lovely about this scent that I'm going to have a hard time describing, because it definitely, again, gives that woodsy kind of pine scent, but you also get the berry in there, and there's just something in this that feels fresh. I don't know how to explain it, but it feels like you've walked outside and it's snowing and the pine needles are around you and you have a cup of cider. It just, I don't know, there's something very fresh smelling about this. And for somebody who lives in South Texas and it's often 80 degrees at Christmas time, this really gives me that Christmas scent that I really want, or wintry scent that I really crave. So yeah, I'm sad about this one. I need it in more products and I need it to be permanent, but unfortunately it is the exclusive. So The good news is if you purchase $30 worth of products, you will get this one included for free. It will happen automatically, and that is until supplies last, which again is another reason why I say try to get there as soon as the site reopens, because I would hate for you guys to miss out on this one, because this one is a top pick for me from this collection. And you can't even buy it. You just have to get $30 worth of products and you'll get it for free, which is a nice little bonus. So honestly, I feel like if you're shopping this sale and you're not buying $30 worth of products, you are doing it wrong, because this is the time, guys. This is the time to stock up. She only does a couple of these a year, and to be able to get a lot of these new releases and to get these freebies and just everything at such a great discount, you really should be taking advantage of this. And if you've been waiting for an opportunity to try their products, this is your sign, guys. It's time to try it. All right, so I hope you have a pretty good idea now of everything that's going to be available and kind of what they smell like, at least to my nose. So you'll get an idea of the scents that you're going to be really interested in. And of course, remember that everything, not just these items, will be available 20% off, except those exclusions, the body oils and the limited edition products. But everything else will be 20% off. And once again, you can use my code CARRY10. That will get you an additional 10% off of everything, including the exclusions. So those exclusions you can still get for 10% off with my code. So guys, you can't beat this sale. This is a fantastic sale because her products are worth every penny at full price. So to be able to get them this cheap is definitely a steal, definitely a sale that I would take advantage of. And actually, I will be taking advantage of it because I plan to grab some more cuticle balms and smaller cuticle oils for gifts. Maybe even a candle to give away as a gift, because I really especially love those for gifts. But, you know, I just got to tell you, I've just been so pleased with all these products. It feels like such a pleasure to get to represent her brand, because when I tell you how excited I am and how much I love these products, you guys know it's genuine. I'm not good at like faking that stuff. So you know I love it because I just keep gushing about these products. So I cannot recommend them enough. Every single one of them. There's honestly not one product in her line that I think is not amazing. All right, guys, that's going to complete this video. So I am going to leave you a pinned comment down below with some of my other recommendations from the existing scents if you want some more of my top picks. But guys, thank you so much for taking time of your day to watch this bonus video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and did find it helpful. If you did, it would help me out so much if you would give me a thumbs up down below. And while there, I hope you will consider subscribing before you go. And don't forget that notification bell. We got new content every Tuesday and Friday at 2 p.m. Central. As always, guys, thank you so much for taking time in your day to spend it with me. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Get that list going for the sale, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.